All right, so this is where you select your topic. The directions are: read the 5 topics in the resources below. Select the topic that most interests you. Read all 6 articles provided so you get a good idea of both sides of the argument. Take notes for all 6 of those articles. Do not just copy and paste from the articles. Write notes in your own words. Once you have completed your notes, copy and paste the resource into the checkpoint request feedback. You will need access to SIRS at home, so the username is going to be BozemanHS, all in lowercase. The password is Hawks, all in lowercase. So these are the 5 topics below here. We have homework, banned books, cell phones in schools, climate change, and driverless vehicles. You may choose a topic of your own. Please make sure to read all 6 articles, submit those for feedback as well. Make sure also to stay away from the topics of gun rights, abortion rights, immigration, and religion. Those tend to be very emotionally driven topics and tend not to be terribly successful essays. So when you click on one of these guys, say you're interested in homework, it'll bring you to your graphic organizer. Anything that's highlighted in blue will take you to a SIRS page. So the question is, should homework be abolished? Viewpoint 1, homework disrupts family time. Viewpoint 2, homework helps improve academic performance. So that question was drawn straight from SIRS, which I will show you here. So here we have it. Should homework be abolished is the major question. We have viewpoint 1 and viewpoint 2. And then there are 3 articles underneath each viewpoint. Those are the 6 articles that you will be taking notes on. I have linked each of the articles here. So you know what to take notes on, right? I'd make sure to put also the title in here just so you know which article you're referencing so you don't have to keep clicking back and forth. One cool thing about SIRS is that you can listen to almost every article. I feel like that helps you get the gist of the article first, then you can go back through with a fine-tooth comb and find really good evidence to support your side. I recommend taking notes before you make up your mind on which side you want to argue. So read all 6 of the articles, see which one has the best evidence for it, and make that the side that you argue. Then remember you have to include a concession, which is going to be the best argument against your thesis. It's not just the opposite of your thesis, but the best argument against it. And then remember halfway through that paragraph where you make that turn to immediately discredit it and bring it back to your thesis.